Your teacher asked you to give a speech on education. You have zero ideas, zero words, and the clock is ticking. What if I told you in the next 60 seconds you will have a complete, impressive English speech ready to go? Not a copied one, not a boring one that actually sounds like you. So, let's get started with the topic of today's video, speech on education, which is written in 10 most effective lines. Very feasible for small kids to learn and recite in their school. Now, let's get started. First line is, good morning teachers and my dear friends. Second line is, today I will speak about education. Third line is, education helps us learn new things. Fourth line is, we learn to read, write and count. We learn to read, write and count. Fifth line is, it helps us understand the world. It helps us understand the world. Sixth line is, education makes us smart and confident. Education makes us smart and confident. Seventh line is, we learn good habits and values. We learn good habits and values. Eighth line is, it helps us become good people. It helps us become good people. Ninth line is, we should go to school every day. We should go to school every day. Last line is, thank you all. Thank you all.